I find it important that you follow along. So the way I've done it here is at the end of every section, I exported the project and you have it in your downloads within the project folder. Now, if you want to follow along, you need to import the final project from the previous section. To import the final project, you can right-click and go to Import. And here you will have to navigate to where you have saved your projects, where you have done the download and the zip. And I would like you to choose for now the final project from section 1. So this file is the final from section 1, is first rough cut. And you click Open to import your project just over here. When the project is imported, you will see it listed within your projects here. To open it, of course, you double click on it and it will open in DaVinci Resolve. If this works fine for you, you need to check if all your clips are correctly linked. For this, you can select the first folder and press Shift and select the last one. And you want to make sure that all the thumbnails are actual thumbnails from the video. If any of them or several of them are, for example, turned red just like this, you need to relink them. To do this, it's very easy. Just select all the red ones. For me, I will select the first one, press Shift and select the last one. Then right-click and go to Relink Selected Clips. Now here you have to navigate to where you have downloaded and unzipped your clips. For me, it will be DaVinci Resolve Training. Now I know they are inside media files. If I scroll down, I have several folders. I don't care, and you shouldn't care. Just select the top folder and click OK. It will search around and find all your clips. And don't worry, if you didn't find a clip, it will ask you if you want to do a comprehensive search. Press yes, I want to do the comprehensive search, and it will search in this subfolder to find the unlinked clip. In this way, you have the project. You notice we have our timelines here, and you have all your media, and you can start following along. In every section, you will have to do that if you want to follow along. Now, the best way is for you to follow along, and you just progressively build your project jumpstart. Thank you. I'll see you in the next lecture.